the world of legendary John Deere tractors, Power Legends buys, sells, and restores the most iconic models aged between 20 and 35 years. Each piece undergoes a rigorous selection process and test drives. Our customers buy the legend John Deere they've always wanted from us. They buy them as an investment, as they will increase in value, and as a hobby to drive. Our customers don't like mechanical work and prefer to buy a legend that's ready to drive. At first, the tractors have been test drive for evaluating. Then they're inspected and we identify the issues to repair up to 150 problems. Thanks to our professional mechanics, craftsmanship and passion, we create the most beautiful projects. We take pride in preserving the tractor's original appearance. For each project we advise the customer what is worth restoring. Why do we carry out extensive testing? Our customers want to be able to drive and enjoy the legend without any stress. Through test drives, we discovered that this tractor has worn rubber on the engine mount, cab rubbers, and air conditioning, as well as significant play in the front axle. We also concluded that the engine and auto power system are in good condition. This John Deere 7920 has 8,600 operating hours, a front tow, air brakes, and oil brakes. We have the 7920 and 3 other models in stock, all of which we can fully convert into Power Legends models. Options such as a pickup hitch, tires, auto track or load sensing can all be fitted by us to your specifications. Power Legends currently has 3 John Deere 7920 for sale, which can be customized to your requirements. Take a look at our website and get in touch. We have already built several John Deere Legends in top condition, which means we can deliver these tractors efficiently and to a high standard. Recently, we gave a 7920 a complete restoration for Grassman, and it is now the finest 7920 in Europe. We've got some experience, that's for sure. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on our newest projects.